I was going to go out to the mailbox, but I think I might leave it for a while. The postman's been, it's a bit wet. Yeah, so it started late last night, early this morning, and we're looking at 50 mils. We might get more than that. You can see by the ground it's very wet already. Everything's turned green. A week ago it was brown, and everything's just turned green, which is fantastic. And well, I just get cabin fever now along with the chooks, because I've heard some thunder too. But there's not much we can do. We can just stay undercover and wait for the rain to stop. Yeah, the chooks have just hopped out. They saw me. They're thinking, oh, he's got food. No, I haven't. So the rain is here. Woke us both up. It was fairly heavy. It's backed off now. But there was no crashing of thunder or anything like that. It was just rain. And it looks like we're getting gentle rain again, which is terrific. And there we go. There's the sky. So we're going to get it. I can hear the chook squawking. Yeah, they're going, oh, where is he? What's he doing? But they're having cabin fever. They were hiding before. Now they're looking. I'm going away. They're doing the huddled mass thing. I know what you're doing. Anyway, we've got some rain. We'll have some rain for some time. Got the wood in, which is good. There's nothing left in the trailer. And gee, we've got a bit of a breeze. The trees are moving too, so better get back inside and hunker down.